Are your nails constantly breaking, peeling, or worse, you're biting them without even realizing it? You deserve strong, beautiful nails, and today, I'm giving you the exact secrets to grow them fast. From natural masks to daily tiny habits, stay tuned, because there are some pretty surprising tips inside. Let's dive in. Let's be real, nails can grow, but there are silent mistakes holding you back. Are you guilty of these? Nail biting, using your nails as tools, skipping cuticle care, harsh nail polish removers, poor nutrition and dehydration. Biting your nails is one of the worst things you can do. Every bite destroys 3 to 6 months of growth potential. Nail biting doesn't just ruin your nail shape. It damages the nail bed, causes infections, and can even harm your teeth and immune system. But you can stop. Here's how. Apply bitter-tasting nail polish to discourage biting. Keep your hands busy. Stress balls, fidget rings, or journaling can help. Identify your triggers. Is it boredom? Anxiety? Replace the habit with a healthier action. Try short acrylics or gel overlays. They're harder to bite and give your real nails time to grow. Now, let's talk glow up. These natural treatments are gentle, effective, and you probably already have the ingredients at home. Squeeze half a lemon into a bowl of warm olive oil. Soak your nails for 10 minutes. Result: brighter nails, stronger cuticles, and natural shine. Mix equal amounts of coconut oil, honey, and aloe vera, and massage into your nails. This hydrates, heals cracks, and strengthens from within. Cut a clove of garlic and gently rub it on your nails for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse. It's a quick and practical method. Mix 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 vitamin E capsule, and clear nail polish. Let it sit for 1 day. Then strain the mixture and apply the polish to your nails. Remove after 2 days, then take a 1-day break. Use any of these 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Your nails grow from the inside out. If you're not feeding them well, no serum will work. Add these nail-friendly foods to your diet: eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, leafy greens. Water, water, water. Hydration isn't just skin deep, your cuticles depend on it. Need an extra push? Here are safe artificial boosts. Nail hardeners, but only if they're free from formaldehyde and toluene. Growth serums. Look for ingredients like peptides, keratin, or biotin. Gel overlays. When applied and removed properly, they protect weak nails and allow growth underneath. Here's your nail care checklist. Moisturize your hands and cuticles daily. Don't cut your cuticles. Push them gently. Wear gloves when cleaning. Don't file nails back and forth. Go in one direction. Keep a nail file in your bag to prevent tearing. Use hand masks or nail oils before bed. And don't forget, Vaseline before bed is a simple miracle for nail strength. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, hit subscribe for more beauty glow-ups, and share your nail tip in the comments.